Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to make a line chart in Google Sheets. Before we start, please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. First, open your Google Sheet and select the data you want to use. Make sure your labels, like dates or months, are in one column and your values are in the next column. If you have more than one line, include all of the related columns too. Next, click the Insert menu at the top and choose Chart. Google Sheets will create a chart automatically, but it may not be the right type. On the right side, open the Chart Editor and go to the Setup tab. Then click the Chart Type drop-down and choose Line Chart. If the chart looks wrong, check the data range and make sure the first row has headers. You can also switch the first column to be used as labels if needed. After that, go to the Customize tab if you want to change the chart title, line color, or axis labels. Once everything looks good, click outside the chart to finish. You can move the chart by dragging it or resize it by pulling the corners. That is all for this guide. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video.